In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Tradingview account with ease and make the most out of this incredibly powerful platform. To begin, let's head over to the Tradingview website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, they all work equally well for this task. Once your browser is open, simply type in tradingview.com in the address bar and hit Enter. This will take you directly to TradingView's homepage, which is packed with a plethora of information to optimize your trading experience. Next, you'll need to locate the Sign In option. If you glance towards the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice the Login button. Clicking here will open a new window that presents several different methods for logging into the platform. Now, the great thing about TradingView is its flexibility in providing multiple login options. You can choose to log in using the traditional email and password method if that suits you. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker option, TradingView also allows you to sign in via some of the major social media platforms, which is truly convenient. These options include logging in with your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, Yahoo account, or even Twitter. For those who are part of an organization that utilizes single sign-on credentials, TradingView also supports SSO login. This ensures you have a streamlined way to access your account. Now comes an important part: choosing the correct login method. It's vital to select the method you initially used when setting up your TradingView account. This ensures a smooth sign-in process without any hitches. If you're having trouble remembering which method you used, think back to what options you typically choose when signing up for online services, and try that first. As you enter your login credentials, just ensure you do so carefully, especially if you opt to use email and password. Double-check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any errors or multiple attempts, which could lock you out temporarily. Once you've successfully inputted your info, hitting the Login button will take you directly into your TradingView account, where you'll have immediate access to a wide array of charts, tools, and financial data that can aid in your trading journey. Remember, the key to a hassle-free TradingView experience starts with a smooth login, so take your time and choose the option that works best for you. Now that you're all set up and logged in, you're ready to explore the extensive features TradingView has to offer. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll delve deeper into maximizing your TradingView experience. Good luck and happy trading!